This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2023 Topps Allen and Ginter Baseball 2-box eBay break. May 10th, 2024. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got TMACNH with the other / non-MLB spots. And also the Cubs, White Sox, Rockies, Astros, Marlins, Brewers, Twins, Athletics, and Pirates. NB_625 with the Rangers. Fisher's Collectibles with the Rays, Blue Jays, Giants, and the Nationals. Sands Sports Collectibles with the Tigers, Dodgers, and the Padres. NIGRON_47 with the Orioles. LATYAG41 with the Diamondbacks, Yankees, and the Angels. John Dahman Jr. with the Mets. GVSU333 with the Cardinals, ANDBLA-8218 with the Mariners, B-25 Bob with the Braves, Red Sox, and the Indians. We got Mermaid Point Breaks with the Phillies, Minor-Details with the Royals, and we got Testy77 with the Reds. That is your full lineup. All right, guys. All right, guys, we got 2 boxes right here. 1-2, 2023 Topps Allen and Ginter Baseball. Always love Allen and Ginter Baseball. Plastic coming off box number 1. We will move through the base cards fairly quickly, guys, just to keep the pace of the break moving along. If anybody sees anything wants us to go back on something, please holler. We'll be glad to do so. Let's do our box topper here first. Box topper, box number 1. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Box topper is Mr. Wander Franco, the Rays. Wander Franco box topper, box loader. Get our pack here. Our packs out of the box. Empty box. All right, guys, here we go. Pack number 1, box number 1. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. All those silver portraits there. Nito rookie. There's our mini there. What? Only in Washington, D.C. Christy Mathewson, too. Yep. They're all, yep. How about it? There's a silver portrait, too, there. Ken Griffey Jr. Got a Henry rookie mini. And we got your Sarima there. Got a hot box, guys. We got a hot box. Hot box it is. Yes, we do. Love love the hot box silver port. Like, love that. Nelson rookie. And a Greg Maddux there, too. Yes, we do. We definitely got a hot box, Anthony. That's one thing we do love here at Cardboard Hobby. Hot boxes. Especially out of Allen and Ginter. We got a Correa mini. Got an Allen and Ginter there, too. Holiday mini. And we got your music to the ears. The Loot. Oh, there's a Beatty rookie relic. Nice Brett Beatty rookie relic for the Mets. Very nice. Very, very nice. Brett Beatty rookie relic. Our mini's a black border. Got a black border mini there. Guerrero Jr. And we got your Mariano Rivera. Jameson rookie there. There's your mini. Old Havana and its fortification system. And we got a Fun in the Sun jet skiing. Terang rookie. Prado rookie. And we got a Rays mini there. Jose Rays. And a Trevor Story. For anyone just popping in here, guys, we got a hot box here out of box number 1. Herrera rookie. Mr. Tony Gwynn mini. Nice Tony Gwynn mini. And a red kite. And a red kite there. We got Harris. Nice Harris rookie. Langoliers rookie. Mini. Charlie Blackmon. It's an Allen and Ginter too. It's an Allen and Ginter mini. And a Mike Trout. Mr. Trout. A Bello rookie. By any other name, Ken Allen. Mini Ichiro. Got a small rookie. Freeman rookie. Got a Schwartz. And we have a rookie mini. Von Herrera there. Plus, we got your music to your ears. The Marimba. Henry rookie. Got an Alvarez rookie. Quan rookie. Our mini is also another rookie. On Jeter Downs, Allen and Ginter rookie too. It's an Allen and Ginter and a Golden Eagle. We do have other Allen and Ginter breaks also listed and going to be breaking soon too, guys. Don't miss out on those. Grissom rookie, Green rookie, Ortiz rookie. And our mini is International Delights. Beef Noodle Soup. Beef Noodle Soup. Strasburg. Our mini is Mr. Brian Wilson and a Randy Johnson. Duran rookie. High school running back, Bella Rasmussen. And a great horned owl there also. And we've got Pasquantino rookie there. Your mini is Andres Jimenez. And we got enjoying a pina colada. A pina colada. Fun in the sun. Jones rookie. Meyer rookie. Got an Allen in Ginter on the mini there, guys. Tommy Coughlin, professional wiffle ball player. Bo Bichetti. These cards look so great being a hot box. Wembayana. How about that, Wembayana? Nice Victor Wembayana there. And we've got an auto. How about it? Mr. Tovar. The Rockies with a nice Ezequiel Tovar. Auto. Very, very nice hit there. Rookie auto for your Rockies. Black border. Black border Alec Boehm there as well on the mini. Fun in the Sun snorkeling. Very, very nice hit there, guys, on the Tovar rookie auto. Got a Peraza rookie. Our mini for your Mariners, Julio Rodriguez mini. And a Don Drysdale there as well. A Waters rookie. Our mini is Mr. Jose Altuve. Music to your ears, the violin. All right, what do we got here? 4 packs left, guys. Box number 1 out of our hot box here. Our mini is Statue of Liberty. Nice Statue of Liberty mini. And a Max Scherzer. Volpe rookie. Nice Volpe rookie. And there's a relic. Nice Eloy Jimenez relic. Your White Sox. Nice Eloy Jimenez relic there. Very nice. Our mini is for your Cubbies, Seiya Suzuki. And we got the Vulture. Nice Jimenez relic there. Very nice. All right, 2 packs left, guys. 2 packs left. Allen and Ginter on the Nathan Dogface Apodaca. The Vibe King. Corey Seager there as well. All right, guys, last pack out of box number 1. Out of our hot box here. Got a Stowers rookie. Our mini is Mr. Nico Horner. And the music to your ears, the Bongos. That was a fun hot box there. Box number 2 coming at you guys. Plastic coming off. Box number 2. We got our box topper here to start. Let's do our box topper here. Box number 2, box topper. Mr. Mike Trout. Nice Mike Trout box topper. Very nice. All right, let's get our packs out here. Empty box. All right, guys, here we go. Pack number 1, box number 2. Good luck, everybody. Volpe rookie, Freeman rookie. Our mini is Mr. Anthony Rendon. And a Mark Burley. Green rookie, Ortiz rookie. Our mini is the famous Robert De Niro. And music to your ears, the Pippa. We've got a Dre Jameson, Allen and Ginter, rookie on the mini. Corey Seager. Carroll, rookie. Got an Anderson, Tyler Anderson, Allen and Ginter mini, and a Reed Detmers there. Our mini is Mr. Robin Yount for the Brewers. And we got the Hen Harrier there as well. We got the Only in Milwaukee mini, Don Drysdale. Our mini is International Delights, the Stamp Pot. The Stamp Pot there, Clayton Kershaw. Wisniewski rookie. We got a hit here coming up, guys. Ooh, nice David Ortiz relic. Very nice. David Ortiz relic. Our mini there. David Ortiz relic. Very, very nice hit for the Red Sox. Mr. David Ortiz. Our mini was Austin Riley for the Braves. And we got your Harrier there as well. Nice David Ortiz relic. And our mini, Mr. Javier Baez. And a bodyboarding, Fun in the Sun. Bodyboarding there. We got a mini there. Save room for dessert, s'mores. Justin Verlander. Relic, Mr. Robles. Victor Robles relic, Nationals. Relic, very, very nice. Victor Robles relic there. Our mini. Ermsey Artist. Ermsey the Artist and an Ichiro there as well. Nice Victor Robles relic. Very nice. Victor Robles relic there. Got another hit here. Fujinami rookie. Very nice. And we'll get our mini out of the way here real quick here, guys. Hunter Pence. Allen and Ginter mini. Nice Hunter Pence there. Music to your ears. Koto. Meneses. Nice. That's really nice. Joey Meneses. Auto for the Nationals. Rookie auto. Very nice hit. Congrats to the Nationals. Very nice. Joey Meneses. Very nice. Very nice hit there. Joey Meneses rookie auto. Very, very nice. Harris rookie. Our minis for your Yankees. Anthony Rizzo, Allen and Ginter mini. And a Gerfalcon. Peraza rookie. We got the mini there, Mandy Bell, the reporter, and a parasailing fun in the sun. Got a Quan rookie. Nice Rooshman rookie. Black border. Reed Detmers for your Angels. Black border mini. Garrett Cole. We got a mini here. Mo Vaughn for the Mets mini. Ronald Acuna Jr. as well there. Yoshida rookie. Nice Yoshida rookie there. There's a silver portrait. Mr. Marsh. Whoops. Mini there too. Mr. Brandon Marsh there for your Phillies. Nice silver portrait. Very nice. The mini for the Braves. Spencer Strider. Alan Ginter. And we got your Sarima as well there. Sarima. Small rookie. Black border. Dustin Pedroia for the Red Sox. Randy Johnson. Got a mini rookie for your Brewers, Garrett Mitchell. And the Bald Eagle. All right, 5 packs left, guys. 5 packs left. Old time hockey. I like that one. Prado rookie, Herrera rookie. Our minis for the Red Sox, Rafael Devers, Alan Ginter too, and then Eric Gagne. Rodriguez rookie. Langula's rookie. Our mini is Swiss Alps. The Swiss Alps. And a Fun in the Sun paddleboarding. 3 packs left, guys. 3 packs left. Rooshman rookie. Nice Rooshman there. Adley Rooshman. Downs rookie. Grissom rookie. Duran rookie. Our mini is also a rookie. Hayden Wesneski there for the Cubs. Music to your ears. The piano. All right, guys. 2 packs left here. 2 packs left. Peraza rookie. Jones rookie. Our mini is the Stonehenge in England there. And Max Scherzer. Last pack, guys. Here we go. Once again, guys, all cards do ship here at Cardboard Hobby. All cards do ship at all times. Benson rookie. Meyer rookie. And our mini is Mr. Zach Greinke for the Royals. And we have a kiteboarding Fun in the Sun. Let's run back through our hits here, guys. Hit recap coming at you right now. Nice Meneses rookie auto, guys. Really nice there for the Nationals. Joey Meneses rookie auto. Very, very sharp card there. We had your Victor Robles relic. Nice Victor Robles relic also for your Nationals. David Ortiz relic for the Red Sox. Very nice David Ortiz relic for your Red Sox. Mr. Eloy Jimenez. The White Sox. It's a bat piece, too. We got Mr. Tovar. Ezequiel Tovar for the Rockies rookie auto. Another nice rookie auto there. And we have a Beatty relic. Mr. Brett Beatty for the Mets relic as well. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. That was a fun break. We got a hot box there, too, to start. That was fun. CardboardHobby.com, guys. Dugan1640 on eBay. Once again, guys, we do have a great break schedule all weekend long and all next week. We've got more Allen and Ginter breaks, more Topps Chrome baseball breaks. Got a lot of great stuff going off, guys. We've got breaks on the website filling as well. Don't miss out on those. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions, guys. Thank you so much again for all your support. Really appreciate it. Please be smart, be safe out there.